Today we're going to be speaking about the human endocrine system. So welcome to our presentation today. The endocrine system is a complex network of glands and hormones that play a critical role in regulating bodily functions. From controlling growth and development to managing metabolism and reproduction, the endocrine system impacts nearly every aspect of our health and well-being. What is the endocrine system? Well, the endocrine system is a complex network of glands that produce and secrete hormones into the bloodstream. These hormones act as chemical messages traveling throughout the body to regulate various bodily functions such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. The main components of the endocrine system include the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries in females, and testes in males. Each of these glands produces different hormones that have specific functions in the body. Hormones are chemical substances that are produced by the endocrine glands and released into the bloodstream. They travel throughout the body and bind to specific receptors on target cells, triggering a response. For example, insulin is a hormone that is produced by the pancreas that regulates glucose levels in the blood. When glucose levels are high, insulin signals cells to take up glucose from the bloodstream, lowering blood sugar levels. Understanding the basics of the endocrine system is crucial for understanding how hormones regulate bodily functions. So, what are hormones and their functions? The endocrine system produces a variety of hormones that regulate bodily functions. These hormones are secreted by specific glands and travel through the bloodstream to their target organs. Like we said, we spoke about the example of insulin already. But another example is the hormone cortisol, which is produced by the adrenal gland and helps the body respond to stress. Testosterone, another example, is produced by the testes in males and ovaries in females, regulating sexual development and function. So what are some disorders? Well, one of the most common disorders of the endocrine system is diabetes, which affects millions of people worldwide. Diabetes occurs when the body is unable to produce or properly use insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This can lead to a variety of complications, including nerve damage, kidney disease, and vision problems. Another common disorder is thyroid disease, which affects the thyroid gland located in the neck. The thyroid produces hormones that regulate metabolism, and when it malfunctions, it can cause a range of symptoms, such as weight gain, fatigue, and mood changes. These are several types of thyroid disorders, including hyperthyroidism, which is the oversecretion of thyroxine, hypothyroidism, which is it's when you cannot produce enough thyroxine, and thyroid cancer. Testing and treatment of these disorders. Doctors use a variety of tests to diagnose endocrine disorders, including blood tests, imaging tests, and simulation tests. Blood tests measure hormone levels in the blood, while imaging tests like CT scans or ultrasounds can help identify abnormalities in the glands that produce the hormones. Stimulation tests involve giving the patient a medication or substance to stimulate the production of certain hormones, which can then be measured in the blood. Treatment for endocrine disorders varies depending on the specific disorder and individual patient. It may include medications to replace or regulate hormones, surgery to remove tumors or damaged glands, or lifestyle changes like diet and exercise. In some cases, a combination of treatments may be necessary to manage the disorder effectively. In conclusion, the endocrine system plays a crucial role in regulating bodily functions and maintaining overall health. The glands and hormones that make up this complex system work together to ensure that our bodies function properly. Disorders of the endocrine system can have serious consequences, but with proper testing and treatment, many of these conditions can be managed. It is important to take care of our bodies by eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and seeking medical attention if we experience any symptoms of endocrine disorders. Hope you guys have learned a lot more about the endocrine